So kiss me.
Hi guys, touchdown San Beda, ay Menjola. Close na kami sa math namin. Perfect kami guys, first time. Oh my god! I-ano mo naman, i-wide mo naman. Naka-wide na yan! Ah! 212. The fuck? Naka-military time ang puta dyan mo. Currently our break one. Dito yung time. Or dito. Ready? Or dyan. My jacket. It's a bit big on me kasi XL siya. Hindi ko naman alam men's size siya. Eh, alam niyo naman mga lalaki sa Amerika, super laki nila. So, Danny is watching. Ang putla ko! Danny is watching Orange is the New Black.
Yes, and I'm chatting with my other friend named Jam. Pero this is Jam.
And Jam is...
Her real nickname is Jam. Pero my friend here, his name is Adrian. Pero I just call him Jam kasi his surname is Magno. So like Jam Magno. You guys know Jam Magno? That's it guys. And nag-paint ako ng nails guys para like sa Wednesday. I have red. Alam mo ba, gusto kita maging friend talaga ng dati ng Freedom Walk. Nung freshman day. Kasi naka-red nails ka. That's how you know.
As chair, I'm doing okay. I'm doing fine. My skin is dry because she is stressed.
Asan yung ganyan?
Nawala nga yung makeup pouch ko, di ba?
Ayun ba yung bigay ko?
Oo.
No, bitch ka. Hindi ko talaga sa hideout. Anong tawag ko?
Hideout, dugout. Ayun guys, kukuha kaming food kasi wala pa kaming class.
Hindi kasi kumuha si Abby kanina guys kasi maraming ads.
Uy, ang ganda nung ano ko no? Cluster lashes. Parang natural lang siya.
Yes.
We're gonna get food. Para may content naman tayo.
Oh my god, they're praying. Oh my god.
Ooh!
Oy,
Say hi!
naka-vlog kayo?
Baby, I love the way. Every day, yeah.
We got the goods. I got palabok with dumplings.
And I got
Gulaman.
sabin.
This yan.
This is my favorite, guys, like, malagkit. Not biko. That shit is boring as fuck.
Suman.
Yung sinasawsaw sa asukal?
Or yung may parang malagkit na
Coconut? Makapuno?
parang siya sauce.
Kasama?
Matamis.
Anong sauce na matamis? Parang ganun.
Meron.
Anong kulay? Pero di yan sauce, toppings na yun.
Saan pa nilalagay yung sauce? Sa toppings.
Hindi naman siya sauce na sauce. Parang paste na siya. Hello from the outside! Naiisip na naman. Guys, na may halong aso to. Diabetes plus sakit-sakit.
Gagawa ng innovation sa buhay nila because of my product while inconvenient. Make it there kung sino ang team leader for good.
Ikaw na lang.
Tonight. Okay, napunta mo? Okay na po tayo for today.
Magkukubaw kami! Life is
Ay, sir! Nakausap din po kayo ni Jude. This is the end of April 21.
This is the end of our day.
See you tomorrow.
Bye, guys!
Okay, I'm gonna take the LRT.
Alam, totoo?
Yeah.
Wow, you're alone, Abby. I'm so proud of you.
1, 2, 3, go.
Maganda to, Bobo. Ano yan? Illuminati. Studio.
Day 2.
Gulaman lang kinuha. Lagyan ko
Oh my
yellow.
gosh, guys. Yes, 2 piraso. 3 piraso. Para I love you. Anong season mo na sa Orange is the New
Then,
Black?
nalimutan ko na nga. Kailangan ko i-rewatch ulit from season 1.
Yan, rewatch mo na. Oh my God, guys, marirelieve na yung sore throat ko.
Marirelief, may 3 may skill.
Ang tamis! Ang tamis! Oh my God! Ano lang? Uy! Masada! Masada! Masada!
Ano? Pwede ba ka? Sa gabi lang.
Or meron pa kayong ibang gagawin, sasabihin?
Uy, yung video.
Ano yan? Ano yung
Pag-vlog, sabihin mo, this is the end.
This is the end of our video.
This is the end
Pero naman
of
alam
day
eh,
two.
hindi mo CNC.
Sinasabi ko pa lang eh.
This is
This is the end of our day 2. Ano ba?
Tara. 1, 2, 3, hindi. 1, 2, 3.
This is the end of day 2.
A range of topics including politics, business, Larong Pilipino on DZM Iran, leadership roles in global telecom, TV.